They don't want to tuck the shirt in. Yeah, they want to be it's like a bit longer. Alright. What do you have to say to the parents?
Good morning.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
And
Joy.
Yay! Follow Mr. Arif.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.